Welcome to this training. I'm going to show you how to resolve this error message on a laptop when you see it. Boot device not found. Please install an operating system on your hard disk. I just started the laptop, and while booting it gives me this error: boot device not found. Please install an operating system on your hard disk. You use this method when you are sure you install a good hard disk or SSD. You just install it and you're still getting this error message: boot device not found. Please install an operating system on your hard disk. You are sure the hard disk is there and you are sure the operating system is installed. Use this method. I had this problem, so I suspected that the SSD might be loose or disconnected, so I had to open the laptop. I opened the laptop and I unscrew it, and then make sure that I fixed back the SSD to make sure it works.
I will bring the last extension, show them on that. This is on Tuesday morning. How do you feel?
Okay, you can see the SSD, so you push it and make sure it's lapped very well. So you screw back the laptop. Just cover it and screw it back. And when I power it on, the laptop started working. So the laptop is okay now. It's not giving that error again.
Thank you for watching. Please do well to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and help me share. Thank you for watching. Bye.